In a sleepy town, Mira discovers she can stitch memories into fabric, literally rearranging forgotten moments like puzzle pieces. Her origin story involves a grandmother's quilt, a thunderstorm, and a sewing needle that hummed in perfect rhythm. Humor blooms as she accidentally threads a family argument into a scarf, diffusing tension before it even starts. The real challenge is conquering unruly emotions that resist being sewn, requiring meditation with a tailor's chalk and patience. Mira now uses fabric stories to calm anxious neighbors, memorialize lost pets, and turn dull days into shared adventures.